Today I'm showing you how I apply my flaxseed gel mixture with honey, glycerin and olive oil to detangle my natural 4C hair before washing. Welcome again guys to Patricia Johnson Lifestyle channel. Stay with me as I take you through the steps of how I apply my gel mixture. Pre-detangling before shampooing makes a huge difference for my hair. And you want to start with uh, damp hair. You want to apply this gel to damp hair. As you know, the olive oil, for me, it adds and seal in everything, reducing the friction and help prevent breakage. Also, the glycerin attracts moisture and keeps the hair flexible while detangling. The flaxseed also provides that slips so that every strand glides past each other, while the honey adds that softness and helps the hair retain the moisture in it and give it also that shine before washing your hair. I personally start by sectioning off my hair into 4 sections and begin applying the mixture generously to one section at a time. I focus first on the ends because that's where the tangles and dryness usually sits. And I generally, smooth the product down the length of my hair, making sure every strand feels coated. You'll notice the hair starts to feel soft almost immediately. I use my fingers to gently separate the strands. The finger detangling allows me to feel the knots and work through them slowly without forcing anything. Once my fingers go through easily, I follow with a wide tooth comb. Sometimes, you don't have to use a wide tooth comb or a paddle brush to brush the ends from ends and work your way up to the roots. Now, continue working your finger through. I just feel for those knots and gently apply more mixture as needed. Feel for the detangling for the knots and apply more product. Detangling should never be a painful or rushed process, right? And as I continue, you can see some of the shedding coming out, not much, but it helps to prevent those breakage and the brittleness of the hair. I continue to apply the product very generously and finger comb each of the strand until I get out all the knots from my hair. As I continue, the hair becomes more defined, more softer and easier to manage. The shrinkage is still there, but the tangles are gone and the hair feels more flexible. At this time, I twist or braid it loosely to keep it stretched. Once my entire head is done, I let the mixture sit for a few minutes before washing. So you can go ahead and massage in that gel mixture into the scalp. For me, this is just an additional step that I take after everything is done. I add some more oils to my hair. So this oil that I'm adding right now is the same olive oil that I'm adding with a little coconut oil and some glycerin. So I just add that to my hair, guys, before the whole shampooing process. And like I said, to each his own. You can add whichever oils that you prefer. I just want to add some more oils to my hair just before I shampoo the hair, because as you know, this will help to hold in more oils and moisture in the hair. So then when after the shampoo, my hair will be more moist, and it will retain the length, reduce the breakage, so I can enjoy my wash day even more. So that's how I prepare my wash day before my wash day, guys. That's how I prep my hair before the actual shampooing. So you can try it out and let me know what you think, how you do your pre-pooing. But like some people wanted me to show them how I actually prepare the hair before I actually start the wash process. So yes, there you have it. There's not much shedding, and that I'm happy that there's not much shedding there. And so I just continue to go through that here, adding more oils to it. You can add whichever oil you prefer. I just add the olive oil, coconut oil, and a little bit of glycerine in that container, and continue adding it throughout my hair, from the tips and throughout the roots of the hair before I'm actually doing the shampoo. Continue to watch, guys, and if you like this video, just share it. Remember to like, subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a thumbs up, guys. And this is my end product of my hair, what it looks like. Just showing you some pictures, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, click the post notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.